Hey guys, Tony here. We are at sort of lows, not necessarily too big of a lows, but I figure right now is any better chance to buy than anything. So right now, basically showing you guys that I will be buying about a K of ADA. Boom, boom, boom. That's done. I will be buying another K of Chainlink. Boom. Dunzo. And then another K of MATIC. Boom, boom, boom. And we are donezo. As of right now, I will be waiting a little bit longer to get back into Bitcoin. I do have a buy limit on Bitcoin. When and if it does hit 26.5, that will be my first purchase. Next purchase would be at 25K, and the next purchase would be at 20,000. For Doggy Coin, I am planning on getting back in, but the only way I get back in is if Doggy hits, I think, 0.249, so a little bit under 25 cents, and then I would only buy Doggy again at around like, let's see. Yeah, I would only buy Doggy. So I'm buying Doggy at around 0.249. It's a buy limit. If it actually hits that, then I would go back in at Doggy. If it goes back down to 5 cents, I don't think I would buy it any other price. And then again, if it hits at 0.008, and then again at 0.002. But as of right now, those are my buying prices. Again, don't FOMO into anything. There's going to be opportunity every single day. All you got to do is just kind of wait and let it like play out for you and stuff. So I'll see you guys later.